Welcome to Resource Management Part B. In Part A, we have talked about leadership. If you did not watch my Part A, my advice is to watch Part A first. So let's talk about qualities of a leader. The first quality of a leader is a vision. Leader is a visionary. He has a vision to see something. A leader has to have some ideas about his her organization, about how the future could be different. A leader requires a strong sense of purpose and should be clear in the concept of vision, collective vision, and recognizes what must be done and how to make strategies for the accomplishment of their vision. Clear concept about vision can make a leader more focused and effective. Vision about what is happening, what needs to be done, and what is coming in future. Second quality of a leader is the ability. Leader must know about his or her job and keep knowledge updated and have ability to understand information, formulate strategies and make the decision. Basically, it's a responsibility of a leader or a project manager to get things done from the team members. But he must understand the complete processes, methodologies used in project management. He must have complete understanding on the project work. If a team members need some guidance, so a leader or a project manager must entertain him, her, or guide him or her. So if leader fails to do all these, employees do not respect him, her. And ultimately, leaders lose faith and trust. That will be failure of a leader or a project manager. So a leader has followers and followers always look towards leader when making decision. When they are in problem, are stuck, or when things are not working, they will look towards leader. Even for technical issues, they will look towards leaders for solution. So if a leader cannot help him or her, obviously a leader must have the ability to handle such issues. Otherwise, he will lose faith in the team members. Enthusiasm. This is an important trait of leaders. Leaders always create excitement, which causes others to become interested and willingly to accept the challenges. Leaders always generate enthusiasm in followers so that this excitement can trigger the goal oriented actions and ultimately followers get motivated and involved in the achievement of the organizational goals. Fourth one is stability. Leader is someone who is stable in his mind. Stability is another important quality of a leader. Leader need to be emotionally stable in handling challenges, in decision making, and during the time of pressure. During the process of leadership, plus minus do come, always remember, and leaders need to face them with courage and always, unless they have stability in their personality. This will become very, very difficult. So, leaders should possess objectivity, should not bring personal problems to work and be emotionally stable. Fifth one is concern for others. Leader is someone who always help team members. Leader is someone who always guide his team members. If team member is unable or finding some difficulties in making deliverables and to produce quality work, leader or a project manager should facilitate him. So a leader must be concerned always for their followers with their welfare and don't treat them as a machine. It is always the responsibility of the leader to think about the welfare of employees. A leader must have a humble and caring attitude towards employees and followers so that if he or she always put the interest of others first, the loyalty will be built and ultimately the employees will work with more devotion and commitment because they feel their project manager or a leader is always supporting and solves their problems. Sixth is self-confidence, which can be seen in the picture as well. Self-confidence is very important quality one should have, especially leaders. For leaders, this will become even more important. Leaders can manage and handle even difficult situations. That is trait quality which is appreciated by all concerned. Leaders always remain cool and calm in crisis. So, successful leaders stay calm and confident and show confidence in their action. Let's talk about very important quality of a leader. It's persistence, determination. You must be determined in your work. If you have started something, finish it first. So, determination of a leader is also very important for business success. Leaders should have the devotion and commitment for the business and continuously motivate the employees for achieving the organizational goals. The outgoing approach and persistence approach is always paying and pushing the followers for the accomplishment of the goals. Another quality of a leader is vitality. Leaders need strength, energy, and stamina. Always remember. Effective leaders are electric, vigorous, active, and full of life, regardless of age or disability. If anything bad happens and or any crisis occurs, they create energy in the overall environment of teamwork. These qualities energize followers too. To achieve goals, leaders need stamina, energy, health, and vigor. Same is true for followers as well as of team members. Another very good quality of a leader is charisma, a personality trait, a quality that generates others' interest and creates followers. To influence others, charisma plays a very important role. And remember that theory of a leader. Leader has followers, nothing more and nothing less. Another very good quality and very important quality of a leader is integrity. The most important quality of leader is honesty, strength, character, courage. Leader need to have strong integrity. So the leaders must have loyal, honest with his or her work, with his or her team too. It will also lead to trust and respect. Honesty, strength of character, and courage will also always lead to trust building, creating loyalty. So this was all about today's lecture and qualities of a leader. Do not forget, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Thank you.